So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Chiang Mai city in northern Thailand. Today we are going to look at another small house in the Sarapi area just outside of the city, but I just thought this would be a cool little place to go and look at, so let's get down there and try and find this place. Right, so I've just messaged her. She told me to wait outside this place. So this is the area, quiet. I think it's a lady. She said she can't speak no English. Yeah, the house looks pretty good. I think that's it down the end there. Yeah, just a case of waiting for her. She said she's gonna come. Hey, it's nice and quiet out here though, isn't it? So this house looked nice on the pictures, and it's cheap. So I thought it would be worth just coming out. What's this in here then? Oh, that's a nice place, isn't it? Nice place, swimming pool. Is this here? I don't know. Hello? Hello. House, this way? Yes. Ah, okay, ladies here. Okay guys, so this is the three houses here. They're new, brand new. So there's three of them, and all available. Yes. All free. Yes. Okay, so they're all available. So we'll have a look at this one here on the end. Yes. Okay, so it's like a house with one. So yes, like one of them real compact. No. Sure. Yes. Okay, sure. Yes, like one of them small compact ones again, look. But this one's in a better area, right? So yeah, very small living room, your main room. But yeah, for single or maybe two of you. And then you got the bedroom here, look. It's better than the other one we looked at, right? The one that was next to all the neighbours. I mean, here you're going to have neighbours, but this one's a lot more chill, isn't it? So you get the bed frame. Not sure if you get any more furniture, but you get aircon. But there's not one in the main room, only in the bedroom. But I reckon that would do the whole lot, I reckon, if you left the door open. And then you got your bathroom. There's not a shower in yet, it's brand new. Nobody's been in here at all. So it's brand new. Obviously they would fit the shower. So you got another house and estate over there. You got some longan, looks like longan? Yes. Longan. It can be installed by yourself. Oh, okay. That's a bit strange, isn't it? You have to fit the shower. Let's have a look out the back. Oh, okay. This resort. So you got a resort. This is the place, look, with the swimming pool. Right out the back. Hey, that place looks nice. Pool. Hey, it's not ideal though, is it? Don't know if that's ideal. So you're right, your backyard is right over the resort here. Coming out onto the bungalow. I mean, if you could use the swimming pool, maybe not so bad. Yeah, and then you've got your kitchen here, look. Outside kitchen, all brand new. And that's how close you are to next door. I don't see why we would have to pay for the shower that we put in. I don't know. So yeah, you got two more either side, look. I'm not sure what's going to happen here, so I'm going to ask her. And you got like a workshop and some dormitories there. So yeah, it's definitely not for me. Oh, Yeah, and the airplane noise, Air Asia. So you're pretty close to that. But I mean, that noise ain't the end of the world, is it? But oh really?
Yes.
Okay. Right, so she just told me it's been reduced. So this place here, guys, it was 4,500 a month, and she just said it's reduced to 4,000, so £100, less than that now, with the money going up because of the problems in the world. 4,000 a month, 6 month or 1 year. Okay, so you can have either for the same price. And electric, water,
6 baht.
6 baht unit,
Water
100 a month.
Yes.
Okay, and 1 month deposit.
Yes.
Have Wi-Fi here? No Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi.
She said maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Your English good. So this your business? This?
My house.
You
Yes.
husband or
Yes.
you?
Mom.
Mom.
Yes.
Okay. Just have a little walk down here. It's definitely quiet. So it's not like some weirdo's house next door. It's the lady's. The lady lives right next door to you, which is not really ideal. I suppose the one down on the end would be better, right? The one down here, another plane. That's two. Yeah, I think I'd rather have this one, wouldn't you? Down the end, you got the resort behind. I'm gonna have a look in there after, mate. Right, she said you can sit and relax here. Oh, hammock, yeah. Toilet, and you can sit in the hammock here. Look. So yeah, your kitchen out here. Look. Water tank. Yeah, that's a bit close for comfort, isn't it? When you wake up in the morning, you come out scratching your ghoulies, and like, you got them doing the same thing right across. I'd prefer over that side, I think, like with the back facing that way. But yeah, there you go. It's worth coming out here. Relax. Gee, where was that place? What we just seen? I can't see it now. So this is right next door, look, with the swimming pool. And this is like a small resort with some bungalows, swimming pool, and a little restaurant. Let's get going. Right dudes, there you go. So yeah, lovely lady, nice little places, cheap, but yeah, definitely not for me, I don't think. But I wasn't really looking for me. I thought maybe we'll go and have a look, do a bit of content. I said I will show some people as well, and the lady looked really chuffed with that. So yeah, we got a vlog out of it, and somebody might be interested. You're living right next to the landlord, which is not ideal. Just come across this, like another half finished small estate. You see these all over the place, man, where maybe during COVID they got started, or some of them's finished. Look, these are nice, aren't they? People in these, and this one's still not finished. Looks like it's been down tools for a while, look, done it, with all the weeds and stuff. I would say down tools. Yeah, that one's gonna be finished. You got two more over there. I don't know where. I know where I am, but I've never been down this. I'm definitely gonna have to see where the main road is after. I just want to see what this is down here. And this place here is for rent, where I put Lucille. I just parked her there. Looks like some small rooms up the top, or a shop or something that's not been used. Let's just go down and have a look at this place a minute. Is that somebody's house? It's a hotel, right? Jesus Christ, it's an house, man. Oh my days, that's a house. That's somebody's gaff. Is it a house? Yeah. Can I have a look? It's not finished. Swaddy cap. Look at this. It's a brand new house. Brand new, they're just moving in. Young woman, young lad. That's probably one of the best. Look how far it goes back. Jesus Christ, man. That's got to be his mum and dad's place, right? I don't want to go back to me little studio room now. I don't want to go back to me 4,000 a month studio. Jesus Christ. Right guys, I'm going to get out of here. It was only a small little vlog. I'll try and leave the location to them small houses. Well, I will. I'll leave the location, and if you want to get in touch with a lady, you can either do it yourself or get in contact with me, and I will leave the Facebook or something. Yeah, I'm a little bit smitten with that house. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to get out of here. Go and get another drink. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. Like I said, any info down in the description or get in contact. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. It's me new gaff, mate. We're moving in.